Alright, so here I am in the woods by my house. That's me. Now, I go in the woods. I like going in the woods a lot. There's this place I always go to. Found it a long time ago, probably like a year after we moved here. And I don't know, it's just really, really pretty. Look at it. Oh, gosh, it sure is pretty. I don't know, it's just a little rock wall thing. So much snow, look at this. This is crazy. I don't know what it used to be. I'm not sure what it is today. But this is one of my favorite places. I love it out here. I really do. I love it more each time I come out here. Alright, the camera's getting wet.